Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the newly released phone from Asus, which is Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. I will be talking about the advantages, disadvantages, and is it worth buying this device, and also a quick comparison with Redmi Note 5 Pro. So before I'll talk about this stuff, have a quick look on the phone's specifications. The Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 comes with 5.99 inches Full HD display. It is a metal body device except the top and the lower portion, which is of plastic to have a better network connectivity. Talking about the processor, it has a powerful Snapdragon 636 processor, which is good for gaming and multitasking, and nowadays it is becoming common in mid-range phones. Talking about the operating system, it is an Android based device and it comes with Oreo 8.1 in it. Hope Asus will provide Android P in future, but we get hardly such updates in the mid-range phone. Hope Asus will provide. The device comes in two variants, that is 3GB and 32GB of storage, which is nearly about 11,000 rupees, and other variant is 4GB and 64GB of storage, which is cost nearly about 13,000 rupees on Flipkart. The best part of this device is that we get a dual SIM support and also a dedicated card slot, which is expandable up to 2 TB, which means you can store lots and lots of media in your device. Also, a 5000 mAh battery easily provide 1 day or 1.5 day usage without any interruption. But the disadvantage is this, that we don't get any fast charging support. We get a basic charger of 5V output in it, and it takes nearly about 2 hours 30 minutes to charge the device from 0 to 100%. But it's good, at least we are getting a huge amount of battery backup. Looking at the camera, it comes with dual rear camera of 13 and 5 megapixel and the front camera of 8 megapixel with front flash. The camera performance is average. The good thing about this camera is that we get natural colors in the picture, and the depth mode is pretty well, providing blurry effect to the background images. These are the samples clicked by me by this device. The thing which I didn't like about this device is the performance of camera in low lighting. The photos were noisy and the clarity level has also fallen down. If we compare the camera of this device with the Redmi Note 5 Pro, no doubt the front camera performance of the Redmi Note 5 Pro is far good from this Asus device. But the performance of rear camera of both phones were almost same. Only the difference was this, that more natural colors were present in the Asus and more bright colors were present in the Redmi. Images were much more real in Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Talking about the detailing and the clarity, both phones were same. Now, talking about some basic features of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, we get a 3.5mm jack support. Also, we get a Max box, which acts as a phone stand and also enhance the phone speaker volume. The best part of this phone is this, that we get a stock Android. Yes, we get a stock Android. That is, we get a proper Google applications only, no pre-installed apps. And getting a stock Android in mid-range phones is again a plus point, and Asus must get applause for this. The fingerprint provide is quite responsive and good, but not faster than Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now, the advantages and disadvantages of this device are: advantages of this device are we get a stock Android, and getting a stock Android is in a mid-range phone is a plus point. Also, powerful 5000 mAh battery must get a big thumbs up. Also, we get a 18:9 display, which is again an advantage of this device. Another advantage of this device is this, that we get a dual SIM support and also a dedicated card slot, which is again an advantage of this device, no doubt. Now, looking at the disadvantages of this device, the low lighting camera performance of this device was not good. The image was noisy. Also, there is no fast charging support in this device, but it's okay. We hardly get such fast charging support in mid-range phones. And yeah, the sound quality is not that much good as expected, and the sound quality of Redmi Note 5 Pro is much more good than Asus. So overall this device is good as per the money as per the specifications we are getting in budget range phone, and also it is giving a tough competition to Redmi Note 5 Pro. The specifications of some specifications are much more good than the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I must say that it is worth buying this phone at this price. And if you're a gamer or a multitasker kind of person, then blindly go for this device. But if you love photos and love sound and music, then go for Redmi Note 5 Pro. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you can't miss another update from my channel. Also, tell me in the comment block what all the stuff I have missed, or what kind of new content you want from me.